Hello everyone. I know I've shared with you the Halloween section quite a few times, so I'm just going to share with you a quick glimpse here of something that had caught my attention I haven't seen at other stores, which is the table runner. So if you're doing a DIY, it's great material. The fun area, I know some of you are probably thinking it's much too soon for Christmas items, but these are fairly new. They're on a piece of wood. I actually thought to do a DIY last year with the wood slices, and here we are. Dollar Tree's already done them for us. So they just keep coming out with new things every year, and I really find the quality of their items does go up. So that's always a good thing. These, I guess, would have been more for our Thanksgiving, fall decor. Some of you are probably moving on to a Halloween piece at the front door, and then we're moving on to decorating. If you do celebrate Christmas, these are some of the finds that are here. So I know a lot of you DIY or customize these ornamental balls. They're metal. They have a variety of colors, usually in glitter. So if you are needing them to sell them on Marketplace, etc., do pick them up now because they will sell fast. By the way, these are great for gnomes. If you're doing DIY gnomes and you need little booties, those are the right size for their little feet. And these are new this year as well, metal cutouts. I'm not sure what you guys are doing with them, but they are nice and large as well. The plastic or acrylic reindeer, these here, they look like glass. If you have them staged with other decor that is glass, it's really tricky to the eye. So nice to see these. I'm not sure if they're a delayed shipment because they're really well stocked, and I feel like most of the islands now are starting to switch over for the new seasons. These plates here, though, they have such a pottery barn vibe. Imagine having some clay out on the table for your table setting. I just think they would look beautiful. I know there's more Halloween things over this way, but I think I'm going to stick to just sharing the rest of the store. I feel like I've covered the Halloween a few times in the previous videos. I have quite a nice selection here of ribbon if you're making wreaths, DIY bags, fabric bags. There's some wire edge ribbon. A nice plaid here if you're doing a basket, a gift basket. You can layer this up with another pattern maybe. I think there's some great selections. I feel like somebody brought this over from a different section of the store. Okay, so for floral, I know a lot of you really wanted to see what was out. I feel like this is a great showcase of what we're in store for. There's probably some new stuff coming out, but these are beautiful and totally something you would find at Michael's for a lot more. If you have a peppermint themed or a candy themed type tree, they have the really nice picks with the balls already inserted in them. And look at this. This stuff is so pricey if you find it elsewhere because it has those little crystals that look like snow or ice, I should say. Really nice stuff here. These are perfect as well for wreath making. You can just open them up and position them wherever you need. They have some more picks here, really pretty picks. Again with the frosted snow. I guess that's the new thing this year. I don't recall seeing a lot of frosted snow things last year. I feel like most of the picks were more like this last year. Again, these are really well done. They have a few pieces in them. Maybe they were even more simple, more like this last year. I feel like the garland and the picks sell rather quickly, and along with the mini brush trees, the little bottle brush trees, these, if the green ones, they really do go quick because people put them in minis and stuff like that. And we have these tags. By the way, the candy canes are out, but have you seen the ones that light up? I don't really know how they work if they're solar, but they're a lot thicker than these. I'm so sorry, I forget who asked, but there were a couple of you who asked to share some of the puzzles if there were any new puzzles in the store. So I feel like I'll go through them and you'll probably recognize if there are new prints here. Much easier than I will. Oh, this is great. Crayola. See, these things are fantastic for kids' loot bags or even for Halloween trick-or-treaters. I like having these on hand as well. Throw them in a little gift sometimes with a gift card. And some boxes are being brought out, so I bet the Halloween area is going to completely transition once I'm gone from here. There's some cute balloons. Again, these are not helium. Oh, somebody was looking for these. I guess they aren't out here on the shelf. So anyways, it must be just a random find. The balloons, there are clear ones out front where the helium stuff is. So I'm confused as to where they're getting them. Somebody was asking if they had any of the pegboards. They do, and they also have some metal pieces that go with it. The pegboards are plastic, just to keep that in mind. So I don't know if anyone's looking for them. These are cute, aren't they? Little pencil holders. And there are new notebook packages. Sometimes it's hard to take things out to share with you, especially when it's brand new packaging. And some of the clip clicks. These are kind of newer as well. They've had some different ones at different stores. I love these. I think they're just so nostalgic. I'm really bad when it comes to stationery supplies. Sometimes I find really great brands like these scissors here made by Westcott. Here's a new ruler with the poppet style, I guess. I always like checking things out. I love their mailers or bubble mailers. So when I'm sending out happy mail, I typically do send it out in a bubble mailer, unless it's a box, of course. These actually work pretty well if you have a metal filing cabinet. I like sticking them there. These look new. They have some letter trays way up here, colored ones, and then the black. I wanted to share with you some of the new craft supplies that I've spotted here. They have some really nice lace crochet ribbon if you need it. The plain beads, I know some of you use these for DIYs and like to paint them. So there's the neutral, the black, the brown, of course. And then they have a mix pack as well, which I think is great. They also have some on a string, but they're hard to come across, and one on a wire. But we'll take a look through the store and see if we spot them. By the way, Mod Podge is available in matte and gloss, which comes in handy when you are doing DIYs. They have some new to me coloring books. Some stores have almost no selection, and then here's one that has a really great selection, even including Dr. Seuss. I have seen this one around in the Crayola brand, but just so if you need anything, if you're putting together Halloween goodie bags for the littles. Lots of wire baskets, the gold ones, and you can put a base on the bottom like a piece of construction paper, cardboard box, and that can make it nice and solid. This is actually fits as a letter tray. And then these are my favorite. The plastic is upgraded, so they've really stepped it up and made a way better quality container. And I have to say that these are some of my favorite craft supply organization containers are from the Dollar Tree. See, this plastic here is a lot different. You can see the color even. It's just so much nicer than this blue hued one. Dollar Tree always has a really nice fun selection of socks, and I know some of them are just polyester blend, and it's hard to find just 100% cotton, but they are cute, they're fun. Can throw them in as a little gift. They have sometimes the ankle socks, the low-rise ones, and then knee-high ones. So you'll see multi-packs here as well. This has an 80s vibe. I don't know why, but it just does. And they have a variety of colors. These are new at Dollar Tree. They're a great little toiletry bag. They're a nice size, and they feel nice and sturdy, and they have a zipper top. So it looks like they have a little wristlet thing too. So they're perfect for a backpack. These are fun. You can use them on the outside of a journal. You don't have to use them as a hair elastic. I sometimes do things up and add a pretty band or something around my journal, or if you have a notebook or a traveling agenda or something like that. This is the ring or wire of beads I was speaking of earlier. So if you find them, you can just take it apart and then repurpose all the beads. They have some more wood. These are great little coasters as well. I don't know if they're thick enough for a mug. Oh, actually, you know what? I could do a cute DIY with those. I'm going to have to think about that. And then these are new too. I mean, if you could kind of put these in with each other, you can use them as a display for jewelry. So this is a new, the resin stuff. It's part of the resin studio. They have a whole bunch of things and I have to keep looking for them, but they're great little embellishments even for paper crafters. There's some metal in here. Some of them are just regular sequins, but then others you'll find metal trinkets. Fantastic little find. Oh, look at this. Rip more. So it looks like the pigment or the hardener. Yeah, resin hardener. Oh, so step A and B. Let's see what else they have here. So much wood here. If you are into DIYs, it's like walking into Michael's in this section here. I do not feel like I'm at Dollar Tree at all. This would be so lovely for a Christmas staging when you do the little homes and then the green, you know, the bottle brush trees. I think that would be so pretty. They have lots of glass vases here, moss. So I always gravitate towards these little crochet kits. I think they're so wonderful for those who do them. Oh my gosh, this is new, isn't it? They're like Play-Doh kits. Cocoa Melon, Sesame Street. What else do they have? Yeah, Cocoa Melon, that's it. I love these. I wish they had different colors though. They're just like a neutral with no blue. A lot of candles here. I know that there's some newer ones, so I'm going to keep my eyes on the lookout for them. These vases are, well, they're really tiny decorative pieces, but they have, I'll put them over here, but they have these as well. New glassware. I'm looking for the football still for those who have been searching for it, and I have not found any. They have lots of chargers, and they're really well priced at Dollar Tree, because elsewhere I always find them for $3 plus. If anyone else knows where to buy them for less, does Walmart sell chargers for less? I feel like they used to be 98 cents, but I don't know what they are today. Recently, Dollar Tree put out a nail file, I guess battery operated, not electric, and now they have these kits. So just keep an eye out for them. And look, these are great for paper crafting as well. You don't have to use them for nails. You can use them in shakers or as little embellishments on a piece of paper. They work nicely. Powder puffs. Oh, they're so cute. They're mini. Lots of eyelashes. Oh, and this is the eyelash glue. They have this one here in a green box and the pink. Don't ask me any questions. I don't know anything about this, but I will share with you guys. And then they have the little cases as well. Oh, this is a nice little package. There's 3 in a kit. Nail art tape. It's gold metallic. Very pretty cut. There's the coffin and stiletto. I feel like this store has a couple areas of stationery, so I always have to be mindful of that, to take a look and go through these things. There's some journaling cards here, paper, I guess for paper crafters, and notebooks, etc. So, oh, these are newer for planners. Oh my goodness, how cute. When my daughter was into LOLs, I could never find anything at Dollar Tree or Dollarama. That's just the way it is, because I guess when they're really trendy, they're not available here. This is cute. This is the 100th anniversary, so that's current, I think, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it is. I grabbed a few of these kits for Halloween just to put together for some of the kiddos that get special treats at my house. I usually customize little bags for them. I used the fabric Halloween bags last year and then added some stuff to them, and I love them, the little pumpkin ones. I feel like these are newer at Dollar Tree. At least they're newer to me, and I keep looking for books. They actually feel nice. Snap for Oscar. Oh, there's the good morning. So I have the good night and the good morning. I think I'm going to grab these. So cute. Yep, I'm going to grab it. Has some just simple text and pictures. This is how easy it is to walk past things when you've already gone around somewhere. Sometimes just walk again, even if you think you've seen it all. I promise you haven't. So I was already here, and look, unless they just put these out when I wasn't looking. Maybe because I don't recall even seeing these when I walked past this island. Very odd. Maybe somebody put them out while I was at the back of the store. They're just so pretty. There's the plaid in the red and then the black. So pretty. I just wanted to share with you ways that I incorporate Dollar Tree things into my home decor. So these little bottle brush trays are super cute. I love the candy corn one in the back here and then also the black one. So I'll share with you how I incorporate it into my decor. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me. And until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. The leaves aren't turned.